Cloudcast Media presents from the massive studios in Raleigh, North Carolina.
Hello, I'm Delp, and here to talk to you a little bit about open source projects versus products. And so what we have here is at the bottom, we have an open source project. It could be Hadoop, it could be OpenStack, it could be a sub-project within OpenStack, like say Swift, for instance. Well, every project has what we call trunk, and that is the source code. So everyone can pull from source code and build it themselves, and that is called running from trunk. And most of the communities will typically do that. And this is very bleeding edge. A lot of people want to pull things down, make some changes, make some modifications, really just playing and tweaking and tuning. Then what will happen from there is companies will take that, they'll wrap some tools around it, maybe some support, they'll do some own testing and really provide a reference architecture or a product. And so at this point, this is really more something a company will consume versus something a community will consume. Now, if we keep moving up, there's also the concept of taking a project and what's called forking it. Now, what you're doing when you're forking it is you're taking this trunk branch and creating a new branch. You're modifying it in a different way. And you might take this exact same model from before, take a fork, tools, support, some testing, and turn that into a product. Or that fork may turn into another project in itself, and so on, and so on, and so on. So really there's the concept here of how is it consumed from trunk and typically community versus products with support that are typically consumed by companies and communities as well. Thank you.